When did I get old? When did everything change? I don't recognize this world, I don't remember this pain. Did time speed up, or did I slow down? When did I get old? It's all behind me now. I used to fly so high and not fear a thing. I was 10 foot tall, everybody knew my name. But the world keeps turning, statues begin to fall, and now I'm just a man who used to have it all.